How to plant and take care of goji berry in the home yard to get fruitful fast for beginners. Goji berry is also known as wolfberries, which is one type of berry from China, and the berry is still one family with chili, tomatoes, eggplant, potatoes and tobacco in the Solaceae family. Goji berries have a sweet taste. Usually the fruit is eaten directly or made as juice or herbal tea. Or, the goji berries can also be extracted from the juice, made into powder and table. Goji berries contain many nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin C, iron, selenium, potassium, zinc, and copper. In addition, goji berries also contain specific high antioxidants, namely Lycium barbarum polysaccharides. These antioxidants can protect the body from cell damage due to free radicals, so as to improve overall health. In addition to these benefits, goji berries also have benefits for both health and beauty, including improving the immune system, helping to lose weight, helping control blood sugar, preventing the growth of cancer cells, and inhibiting aging. This goji berry fruit has actually been widely used in traditional Chinese medicine for more than 2,000 years. Here's how to plant and take care of goji berry in the home yard in order to quickly fruit for the full beginner. 1. Preparation of goji berry plant seeds. If you want to plant or cultivate goji berry, to get goji berry seeds can be obtained through planting seeds or cuttings of parent plants. But it is recommended planting using seeds from cuttings because it ensures the quality of the seedlings will produce the same plants as the broodstock. But if you don't want to be bothered, goji berry seeds can be obtained by buying them at the place of selling fruit seeds. But beforehand, make sure you know the distinctive character of this plant and master the planting technique so that the fruits to be harvested are abundant, healthy and fresh. 2. How to plant goji berry in a pot. Goji berry plants can be planted in any type of pot, but it is recommended that high pot types so that they can accommodate the growth of the goji berry plant properly. Goji berry plants grown in pots can be placed in the room or indoors. But if placed in a room, try to be placed near the window or exposed to the sun. 3. How to take care of goji berry. Perform maintenance properly and correctly. Do the necessary watering until the area around the plant becomes moist, not too much on the plant. There are many types of pests and diseases that can interfere with goji berry plants, one of which is a fungus, but fungi can be prevented by watering in the morning so that water can evaporate completely. However, make sure if you do watering, only the roots of the plant, because the leaves and stems of the goji berry do not require splashing water. Thus we are discussing about how to plant and care for goji berries in the yard so that they can quickly produce fruit for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.